All right, so here's the basic setup to get your projector to be a second screen. We'll be looking at this as one screen, this as screen number 2. The way that we're going to get that to pull up is by navigating to your desktop. You see my mouse moving right here in the trees, right-clicking, and then going to Display Settings. When you go to Display Settings, you need to change it so that down here where it says Multiple Displays, it says Extend These Displays. So click on Extend These Displays. I have them ordered so that my first screen is this computer screen, and my second screen is the one that is on my board. If you want to reverse them because that makes sense for some reason, you can apply it by just dragging them that way. I'm going to keep it as 1 and 2 that way. If I want to take something that is trying to navigate too many things at once, if I want to take something that's on my projector screen, I can drag it into and off the screen of my projector and onto the screen of my computer. You see how that's working? And if I want to get it back onto the projected screen, it's an extended display. Just imagine that they're connected in the time-space continuum, and you can figure that out that way. So say you wanted to have your projector screen up here, and you wanted to say, hey, let's talk tech, and you wanted to show that to the rest of your class, it's not going to be showing up on this screen. I have a Google Meet open. There's nobody in it except for myself, but you are going to be able to see all the children that are on your Meet screen there, and the screen that you're trying to share with your real life kids can be up there. So again, that is just by going to your desktop. You can see my mouse in my hair right here. Let me get rid of all this stuff. You can right click and go to Display Settings and set that up for yourself. I don't know if that was helpful. Let me know if you have questions.